You know what's absolutely delicious about money? It's that it obeys spiritual law, just like everything else in this magnificent universe of ours. And if you're sitting there right now, staring at your bank account like it's some mysterious puzzle box that refuses to open, darling, I have some absolutely wonderful news for you. Most people approach money like they're trying to wrestle a bear in the dark. They grunt and strain and worry themselves into a tizzy, wondering why prosperity keeps slipping through their fingers like water. But here's the thing that'll make you laugh. Money isn't actually the problem. Oh no, it's never about the money itself. It's about the absolutely fascinating game we're playing in our own minds. I see you there, dear one. You've tried the budgeting apps that make you feel like a financial failure when you spend $3 on coffee. You've read the books that tell you to eat beans and rice until you're 97. You've probably even tried visualizing yourself rich while secretly thinking, "This is absolutely ridiculous. I'm talking to my ceiling fan about abundance." And bless your heart, you're wondering why none of it seems to stick. The real challenge isn't that you don't know what to do with money. Heavens no. The challenge is that you're playing tug of war with the universe. And darling, the universe always wins. You're pushing against the very flow that wants to bring you everything you desire. It's like trying to swim upstream while wearing concrete boots and wondering why you're exhausted. Here's what I've discovered in my years of watching people transform their financial lives, and this is going to sound almost too simple. Money is nothing more than crystallized appreciation. That's it. When you appreciate what you have, when you're genuinely grateful for every penny that flows through your life, you create a magnetic field that draws more of it to you. It's not mystical mumbo-jumbo, it's spiritual mathematics. Now, let me share with you the 5 secrets that will absolutely revolutionize your relationship with money, and I promise you, they're going to make you chuckle at how wonderfully simple they are. Secret number 1, stop arguing with your money. Yes, you heard me right. Most people look at their bills and have a full-blown argument. How dare you be so high, electric bill? Rent, you are absolutely unreasonable. But every time you resist what is, you create more of what you don't want. Instead, try this little game that'll change everything. When you pay your bills, say, "Thank you for the electricity that lit my home," or "Thank you for the shelter that protected me." Watch what happens to your bank account when you stop fighting with it and start dancing with it instead. Secret number 2, treat every dollar like it's a seed, not a source. Here's where people get it backwards, bless them. They think money is the source of their security, so they clutch it tight and wonder why it stops flowing. But money is actually a seed that you plant to grow more abundance. When you spend money on something that adds value to your life, you're planting a seed. When you invest in yourself, you're planting a seed. When you give generously, you're planting seeds all over the place. The farmer doesn't eat his seeds, darling. He plants them and watches them multiply. Secret number 3, your words are your financial blueprint. Oh, this one is absolutely delicious. Listen to how you talk about money for one whole day, and you'll understand exactly why your bank account looks the way it does. "I can't afford it" is actually an affirmation for more lack. "Money doesn't grow on trees" is programming yourself for scarcity. "The rich get richer and the poor get poorer" is basically signing up for the poor category. Instead, try these little gems. Money flows to me easily and joyfully. I always have enough for what truly matters. Or my personal favorite, the universe has a wonderful sense of humor about providing for me. Secret number 4, make friends with successful people, not jealous remarks about them. This is where it gets juicy, darling. Most people see someone driving a beautiful car or living in a gorgeous home and immediately start the mental commentary. "Must be nice," they say with just enough edge to cut glass. "Probably corrupt," they whisper. "Lucky them," they sigh. But every single one of those thoughts is actually pushing abundance away from you. Instead, when you see someone living well, celebrate them. Say, "Good for them," and there's plenty more where that came from. When you can genuinely celebrate other people's success, you're literally opening the door for your own. Secret number 5, act as if your prosperity is inevitable. Because, darling, it absolutely is. This doesn't mean pretending you're rich when you're not or spending money you don't have. It means carrying yourself with the quiet confidence of someone who knows that everything always works out. It means making decisions from faith instead of fear. It means saying yes to opportunities that align with your values, even when your bank account is having a panic attack. When you act from inevitability instead of desperation, you make completely different choices, and those choices create completely different results. Now here's your homework, and it's going to be absolutely delightful. I want you to choose just one of these secrets and play with it for the next 7 days. Just one. If you picked secret number 1, spend this week having lovely conversations with your money instead of arguments. If you chose secret number 3, catch yourself every time you say something limiting about money and flip it into something absolutely wonderful. But here's the thing that'll make this really work. I want you to do it with a sense of play, not pressure. The universe responds to joy, not effort. So have fun with this. Laugh at yourself when you catch your old patterns. Celebrate the tiny shifts. Make it a game instead of a grind. The truth is, darling, you already have everything you need to create the financial life you desire. You just need to stop wrestling with the universe and start waltzing with it instead. Money wants to flow to you just as much as you want it to flow to you. All you have to do is create the space for it to dance into your life. So tell me, which secret spoke to your heart? Drop a comment below and let me know which one you're going to play with this week. And if this little talk brightened your day even a tiny bit, give it a thumbs up so I know to keep sharing these delicious truths with you. Subscribe if you want more of these conversations because, darling, we're just getting started on this wonderful journey of creating a life that makes your soul sing and your bank account smile. Remember, your prosperity isn't just possible, it's absolutely inevitable. Now go out there and let the universe surprise you with its generosity.